Okay, so this is the first time I've had to hook up the battery by myself because Tony's not here. Kylie and I came up here before him. And I thought I hooked it up right, which I did. Positive is red, negative is black. And he said there was this battery disconnect, and I turned it, and then nothing happened. So I slightly panicked, only to find out I didn't turn it far enough. So, woohoo! I did it. First time ever. And the slide's going out. Battery successful. Is he done?
Yeah.
Rusty, come on. Come inside. Come on.
Oh, he just laid down.
Did he?
Yeah.
Are you tired?
That's when you know he's
wow. How are you, Kylie?
Good.
He's having a little trouble with the stairs. Oh, good
boy.
job. Okay, this is it. The inverter. I'm going to attempt to hook this up to, oh, hi, Rusty, to this battery. I have no idea what I'm doing. I'm hoping it'll work out. I'm just going to read the directions. I know most guys just jump in and don't read directions, but I feel like that's probably a good idea so I don't make some fuses blow or something. All right, well, I got the directions here. Let's see what we can figure out. I do know red is positive, black is negative. Open the package, screw off the nuts on the poles. Connect the wire with red and black tops to the red and black pole. Battery clamp comes along with power. Okay, I'm gonna try this and see what happens. Okay, so first problem by looking at the directions. It wants me to connect them to the poles, but this has two of them on there. There's this thick one, and then there's the little screw, which I assume is the pole. So why is there two, is my question. Do I put them both on there? I'm gonna try it. There's no pictures, so we'll see what happens. So I think I got it now. I'm supposed to connect these to the inverter, and then the clippy things go on the battery. At least that's what it looks like. I bet guys watching this are cringing right now, but I've never done this before, so it's all new for me. Alright, so that's why there's two, because there's two poles right here. So, put one on and screw this down. Then, I'm going to do the other one. Right here. Just heard Rusty move, he's tired. Okay. Going. So that's one side done, and then I gotta do the red side. And then we got this one. Again, it has two. So I'm gonna put one on each pole. We had another little inverter, but it wouldn't run the TV. It would really just charge our phone and different things like that. So got this bigger one. Okay. Go like this. Alright. Now I'm thinking I took the nuts off. That's the part I don't know. If these should stay off the battery or if I should put them back on because they're going to clip around them. I assume these are metal, so it doesn't matter. I'm just going to go like that. Put them back on. We'll see what happens. Ooh, this is kind of nerve. I'm going to connect these now and hope that everything goes okay. So, got two. Okay, that's the positive. like, I don't know if that's normal or not.
What happened?
It just sparked.
Oh no, you're stressing me out.
Yeah.
Ah.
It's negative. Okay, I don't know if sparking's normal, but I'm gonna turn it all on in a minute. I just need to collect myself. Ah. Okay, I'm gonna plug the TV in, and then I'm gonna attempt to turn it on and see what happens. So this plugs into the front. Oh, I know why it sparked. It was on, and I didn't know it. The inverter was on. So I'm gonna turn it off while I plug it in. I'm gonna turn it back on. See if the TV works. That'd be a no. Well, I was hoping to figure this out by myself. That is definitely not turning on. So I probably need to do some troubleshooting here. I know the battery's charged. Yeah. Might have to call Tony in a minute. Okay, I'm a little excited. The TV just came on. Check it out. So I'm not sure why it didn't work right away, but woohoo, I did it. So now, what that means is if I can get the WeBoost antenna to work, that's like over the air channel, so it doesn't work very good here, but if I can get the WeBoost to boost the signal on our cell phones, then we can watch YouTube, which is what we used to do, and then all of a sudden the signal, it wouldn't let us switch from LTE to 4G. Like, it works really good on 4G, but now an update with Apple makes it stay in LTE, so we're kind of hosed. But hey, big step for me. I'm excited. I'm going to break out the booster in a few minutes. The other thing we want to try and work out this weekend is I think Tony's going to pick up some more solar panels because I want this battery to be charging during the day when it's sunny, and then if we want to watch some TV in the evenings, we'll be able to do that. So I think he's going to stop at Harbor Freight on his way up. We have 4 solar panels right now that recharge now our lithium battery during the day when it's sunny. We still need to figure out winter time how to store energy, but this is pretty exciting. I'm hoping the boost for the cell phone will work. So this signal booster looks a little more involved than I can do by myself. I can't climb up on the roof. Obviously don't want to do that 3 weeks after back surgery, so I think this one's gonna have to wait until Tony gets here. So I'm excited though, if it works, we'll see. So what about this tree right by the trailer? Can we just put it on there?
You could probably put it on there and then feed the cable through either the top or maybe the bottom. That way it'd be closer to this area.
Right, because the inverter is just sitting on the floor inside the door for now until we find a better place.
Yeah.
Should we try it?
I'll get the ladder.
Okay.
This will be easier if we do this first.
Yeah, then you can hook it on there, right? Yeah.
I could go this way across that thick branch, the one, you know, on this side.
Is it a dead branch though?
Yeah, it is. So I could go like this and then tighten it, or I could go underneath it. It might be easier.
Yeah, I would try that.
And then tighten it up there.
Let's give it a go, huh?
Yeah.
Wow, the wind is literally whipping again. Tony's up on the ladder. Right there. I'm down here waiting, hoping he's being safe. Carly's taking a nap. Something about the fresh air just makes you want to chillax, relax, which is what it's all about coming up here to Goldendale.
Be careful.
Okay.
So we're going to temporarily take this in to test it.
Yes.
To make sure it works.
Before we make it look pretty. Cellular signal booster. That's what it's called, right?
Yep.
All right. Gonna go plug it into the inverter that I set up yesterday. See what we got. There's my work right there.
Is this on?
I don't think it's on.
Okay.
So you're supposed to plug it in and then turn it on, according to the directions yesterday.
All right. Everyone, we got 1 bar.
I can't even see that.
Up there at the top?
Got it, 1 bar.
Okay.
So plug it in first before you turn it on.
Okay. You sure?
Yep.
You don't have to, do you?
And then turn it on. Is it green on the outside?
Yeah. It's
Okay,
green.
that means it's good.
Okay. And now you got 3 bars, it looks like.
No way, it worked. Okay, that's exciting. Ooh, that means we'll be able to work up here, Tony.
We'll see.
Let's see if it fluctuates.